How to build wealth in 2025. Building wealth in 2025 requires a combination of smart financial decisions, strategic planning, and embracing new opportunities. With technological advancements, shifts in global economies, and emerging industries, the landscape for wealth creation has evolved significantly. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Invest in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have rapidly evolved from niche speculative assets to mainstream investment opportunities, offering tremendous potential for wealth creation. As we enter 2025, blockchain technology continues to disrupt traditional financial systems, creating new avenues for growth. Many of the top cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, have matured, and newer, innovative altcoins are providing unique investment opportunities. In a market characterized by volatility, strategic cryptocurrency investments can offer high returns for those willing to learn and navigate the risks effectively. However, this market is still unpredictable, and it requires investors to stay informed and adapt to sudden shifts in market sentiment and regulatory changes. In 2025, the cryptocurrency market is expanding with the introduction of decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Investing in promising cryptocurrencies or engaging in staking can generate wealth while diversifying your portfolio. However, it's essential to practice caution, do extensive research, and understand the underlying technologies behind these assets to ensure you are making informed decisions. Real estate investment in emerging markets. Real estate has been a cornerstone of wealth building for centuries, and 2025 is no different. However, the key to building wealth through real estate lies in targeting emerging markets with high growth potential. While established cities and regions have seen steady growth, new real estate opportunities are emerging in developing markets across Asia and Africa, and even within smaller cities in developed countries. These areas offer affordable property prices with the potential for significant capital appreciation as they become more developed. Investors are increasingly looking beyond traditional urban centers and seeking new regions where demand for real estate is set to rise in the coming decades. Passive income through dividend stocks. Dividend stocks remain one of the most reliable and effective ways to generate passive income in 2025. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular income while benefiting from potential capital gains. Companies that consistently pay dividends tend to be well established with stable cash flows, making them less volatile than other growth stocks. By building a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks, you can create a consistent income stream while also benefiting from the compounding effect of reinvested dividends over time. Dividend stocks offer a low-risk, long-term wealth-building strategy. Reinvesting dividends accelerates wealth growth by taking advantage of compounding returns. Moreover, many blue-chip companies are increasing their dividend payouts, making this strategy even more attractive in 2025. Invest in green energy and sustainable technologies. Sustainability is more than a buzzword in 2025. It's a central theme of the global economy. The transition to clean energy and sustainable technologies presents a unique opportunity for building wealth. As countries around the world accelerate their shift away from fossil fuels, industries involved in renewable energy, electric vehicles, and energy-efficient technologies are seeing rapid growth. By investing in companies focused on green energy, you can align your wealth-building strategies with global trends while capitalizing on an expanding market. Investing in green energy companies provides an opportunity to benefit from the growing demand for sustainable solutions. With government policies favoring renewable energy and climate-conscious initiatives, companies in solar, wind, and electric vehicle sectors are likely to experience growth. Venture into the stock market. Investing in the stock market remains one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in 2025. The stock market offers individuals the opportunity to invest in companies with high growth potential. While traditional investment strategies, such as buying and holding large-cap stocks, are still effective, Newer methods like options trading and short-term investments are gaining popularity. Understanding market trends, analyzing companies, and making informed decisions can result in significant wealth accumulation over time. The stock market provides an opportunity to build wealth through both capital appreciation and dividends. In 2025, there are numerous ways to engage with the market, from traditional investing to more complex strategies, such as day trading and options trading. Capitalize on e-commerce. The rise of e-commerce has revolutionized the way people do business, and in 2025, it continues to be one of the best ways to build wealth. With platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy, individuals can create their own online stores with relative ease, sell products directly to consumers, and tap into global markets. E-commerce also offers scalable business opportunities, allowing entrepreneurs to expand their product offerings and reach new audiences as their business grows. Building an e-commerce business can lead to substantial wealth creation, particularly when leveraging trends like dropshipping, print-on-demand, or digital products. As consumer behavior continues to shift toward online shopping, entrepreneurs who tap into this market have the potential to generate significant income. Participate in the metaverse economy. The metaverse is no longer just a futuristic concept. In 2025, it is a thriving virtual economy with real-world implications for wealth creation. Virtual real estate, digital goods, and NFTs have become valuable assets in the metaverse. By investing in virtual worlds, creating digital assets, or developing virtual experiences, individuals can tap into a new frontier of wealth-building opportunities. This growing digital ecosystem presents a unique chance to create wealth in entirely new ways. The metaverse offers opportunities to invest in virtual land, create and sell digital goods, and participate in blockchain-based economies. As companies and individuals flock to these digital spaces, early adopters have the potential to generate significant wealth. Building wealth in 2025 requires an adaptive approach, embracing both traditional methods and new, emerging opportunities. By strategically diversifying your investments, leveraging technology, and staying informed on market trends, you can take advantage of the unique wealth-building prospects available this year. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.